Hey guys, Jess Starr here with Starr Realty Group at Keller Williams Realty, wanting to talk to you today a little bit about the interest rates and what's happening in today's market in Connecticut. You know, if interest rates go up by just 1%, your buying power goes down by about 10%. So you may hear a lot of agents out there telling you, oh, you know, the market is amazing, the interest rates are still crazy low, and they're not wrong. They are still historically low, yet what we're seeing is a slight uptick in those rates. So what you want to be wary of is any little change in those interest rates going up, your buying power is going to go down. So what that might mean to you is that you're going to be able to buy less of a home, or you're going to have to buy the home in a different area if you need certain upgrades and certain things done to your home. So it's really important to always stay in touch with your financial planners, your lenders, your real estate agents, and make sure that you know, hey, interest rates are going up, the stock market's doing what? Why is any of this important to me? Well, what you want to do when you're buying a house, we've seen some drastic appreciation, meaning house prices going up in the state of Connecticut. And we have had basically a flat line in appreciation for years. It's been almost 10 years where it just would go up very slightly, but not much. And, you know, I remember starting 18 years ago and saying the town of Simsbury, Connecticut would appreciate about 7% a year. And then it flatlined. And so in the last 6 months, we've really seen that appreciation skyrocket, and it's catching up from all the years before when it did not do that. So sellers out there, it's a great time to sell because you are maximizing on what you can make. And maybe you are one of those sellers that says, well, I'm not ready to go just yet. I still want to stay in Connecticut, but you know, I still have work to finish up. My family's still here. If you're going to think about retiring, now is the time where you can make the most amount of money. So we're having a lot of sellers put their homes on the market and actually go find a rental because they may not be ready to buy another property in Connecticut, but they still want to work and live and play here for a little while longer. And then possibly go look for that either second home or the home down where they plan to go when they retire too. So just keep in mind, if you've been on the fence about selling your house, now is the time you're going to maximize on the value of it as a seller. Number two, if you're a buyer, you definitely want to get out there and start looking at properties. The average that we are seeing right now throughout the country, they said it's about 8 offers that have to be submitted on a property, on multiple properties, I should say, before you can get one accepted, which, you know, can be a little overwhelming for a lot of buyers. But if we have, you know, educated you, guided you throughout the process and let you know really what to expect, we typically can get it done in 3 to 4 offers on average as a team. So we are always beating the national average, which is great. And you just need to have some stick-to-itiveness in this market. So make sure you have people that study the market, study the absorption rates to know how much inventory is on. Did a search yesterday, and between 350 and 450,000 in Simsbury, there was only one resale property. So that means it's an older home that somebody's putting on the market to resell it. Only one available in the price range. Everything else had pended or been under contract. There was 4 others in the price range that were available, and yet they were all new construction. So if you know anything about that development, you're going to know that they're not building any more homes for at least a year. So even if you penned on one of the new construction properties here, you're not going to have that ready until next year sometime. So really, it's important to have a market professional, a realtor that knows exactly what they're talking about when they're telling you about the market, not just somebody that does it passively, might do it part-time, may not know what's going on or what's going on with the multiple offers. You want to have some really strong contingencies when you're making your offers, and we've got plans to do just that. We also have plans to protect you if you're a seller and keep you safe in your home, to give you ample time to go find that next property if in fact you are buying still here in Connecticut. So we've got 3 different options for you to be able to do that. We want to make sure you're okay because it can be very challenging. So for more information, to reach out to us if we can help you, just give you an update on the market, its conditions, what's going on, maybe some improvements on your home if you're thinking about doing any of those to get the house ready. This may be the market where you don't have to do a ton of stuff to get your home ready and put it on the market just yet. Just because people are so desperate to find a property, they may just take it. So you may save yourself a ton of money there as well by not having to do those improvements you think you need to do to get your home ready to sell. Call us before you start doing anything, 860-325-2484. Always visit our website at starrealtygroup.com. Make sure you subscribe. We've got a ton of great things about to come out, and we always have our coming soon listings posted here too. So if you're a buyer looking to find out what's happening in Connecticut, looking to find out what properties are coming on, our YouTube channel is a great place to start. We'd love to help you make your dreams come true too. Make it a great day, everybody.